Hey guys, what's up? Sarah Rollins here. Here's some more gameplay of Ratchet and Clank. Yes, it is Charlie playing. Someone has to hold the freaking phone and record. So, hoverboarding. Check that shit out. Ah! It looks like the sun coming through the window is affecting the screen. Here we go. I think you're supposed to get higher, honey. Whoa! Shit! Whoops.
I'm first.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm first.
Trying to hold my phone steady, but God and everybody's like blowing it up. Hi, you finished first.
You're the first Lombax to ever win a race.
I keep forgetting what he is.
Always giving away cool prizes here. Perks for being sponsored by Gadgeton.
Thin Mint cookies. Woo! Oh, dude. First place. Woo! I think it'd been easier to do this at night.
Race for the Silver Cup. Of course, we probably have better things to do.
You gonna do it again? Nice, Charlie. Kinda glad Charlie's doing this because I couldn't do it. He knows what he's doing. I'd friggin' die more times doing this than God has got liver pills. Uh-oh. You're not supposed to be in third. You're supposed to be in first. Get going. Go, 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 go. Please put your shirt back on. That's hilarious. Ratchet takes the lead. Freaking epic. That's what that is. Nice. Nice, you got both of those, Charlie. Oh, shit. Oh, you're still in first, too. That's what's up. It's a little blurry today. I think it's because the sun's hitting the screen through the window. Ush! Skyrim's going off on the other TV.
Bitches, bitches!
That was awesome. Enjoy your prize. You earned it.
Trees. They're beautiful here.
First place once again.
Yes, we qualified for the Gold Cup. So tempting.
So tempting. Can see the glow of the PS4. Nice save. Nice. Whoa! Shit. Shit, even more. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Holy flight. Did she just say proto bed? What the hell? Still in first. Go, 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 go. Woo! Let me guess, there's 3 laps. Charlie.
I'm guessing.
Let's see. Oh, frig. Oh, you're still in first because you're like still way, way up ahead. They're like still really way behind. Shit, that had to hurt. Poor Ratchet. Nice.
Fire power!
You're like amazing. You should think about going pro.
I'm very good at multitasking. That's it. You've won.
All the races?
Yeah, you finished it.
No.
You can go back and do more later. Take a chill.
Whoa, the Blackwater City hoverboard track. I've only seen it on my Hollow Street back on Melbourne.
I'm gonna figure out where we're going next.
You forgot. That's always fun.
No, I think we're supposed to go down. I spin my head right round, right round.
Okay, stop. You're making me dizzy.
You've got enough to buy a pixelizer.
Yeehaw.
I already went this way, so. I can run. That'd be just awesome.
Yeah, he doesn't run. Neither does Clank. Clank doesn't run either. He kind of waddles, but he doesn't run.
You're back. We can do another race if you want.
Nope.
Hey, want to race again?
No, because he can't remember where the hell he's going. Space taxi.
Hey, kid, you've got some hoverboard skills. I could use someone like you. Come see me and let's talk business. Now, I ain't saying where I am, but the sewers under this here city, yeah, they're pretty interesting, don't you think?
Wrong direction. And sand shark. Frickin' Skyrim. At some point, guys, there will be gameplay for Skyrim too.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, it's just Ratchet and Clank. That was epic. That's friggin' awesome. Can't go that way. I think you have to go... Nope, you don't have to go straight either. What the shit? You're not supposed to drown him. Well, where are you supposed to go, Charlie?
Up, I think.
Hmm.
I am the Dragon Ball. I'm just bull shit up.
Okay, well, there you guys go. There's some gameplay of Ratchet and Clank. Charlie's officially lost and don't know what the hell he's doing. And, well, there's that. Also, we will have some Skyrim up. Maybe a little bit later today. We'll see. Some Destiny. Some Call of Duty. This should be fun. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys. Stay calm. And have a great day. I love y'all. Bye.